Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Sam here. A lot of my life I've been called a geek, a nerd, an Apple fanboy, and today that stops. All right? We're here. I feel more free than I've ever felt, by the way. This is the basement of my parents' house. I am really living it up here. And I'm here today to try out Apple Fitness Plus. It is the newest launch subscription service in the world, to my knowledge. It just came out about 8 hours ago, and it just happened to be on a day where I was scheduled to do a workout. And I am tired of not gaining strength. I've been real inconsistent, so I'm gonna see if Apple Fitness Plus in one workout can get me to be the shreked, ripped boy I've always wanted to be. If you're excited for this, drop a like down below. Hit subscribe for more. Hopefully I don't get copyright striked in this video because that would make me very sad. Let's get to working out and prove all the haters wrong. All right, so I just updated my Apple TV, and right here front and center you can see is the brand new activity app. I've already signed in. Sorry, mom and dad, for stealing your free 1-month trial. They've got all kinds of different workouts going on here. We got treadmill with Jamie Ray. We got high intensity interval training. I know what that is, with Bakari. That looks pretty cool. We got rowing with Josh. My only concern so far is that, okay, that looks uncomfortable. All these people they look way too happy. Like I don't know about you. I've never done a workout where I've ever smiled. So maybe this is going to be the life change that I need. So we got a good spread of trainers here. And honestly, this is the one that I wanted. Strength with Greg. He looks just like me if I shaved my head. So here's the deal. I can't disable the music. Which means either A, I work for free, boo, or B, I'm just going to voice over this entire part and tell you how I was feeling while I was doing it, because I don't want to work for free. Because if I can get paid to work out for once in my life, this is pretty much my peak. So heads up for anybody trying to find some good Apple Fitness content. You can't monetize any of it because not only are there songs built into every workout that'll be claimed instantly because it's music on YouTube, it's also going to be like double copyrighted by Apple for their proprietary content. So just a heads up there. What I can tell you from what I've experienced, and I can throw in some screenshots here and stuff to supplement what I'm saying, I really like this. I am somebody who is not comfortable going to the gym right now because the meatheads that live around me are 100% going to get me sick. So I said, you know what? I'm going to take a break from the gym for a while. And I found a couple of good channels online. My man Bully Juice, great channel for some free fitness content, has been a good challenge. But of course, this is just one trainer. This is just one style. With Apple Fitness Plus, it's $10 a month or $80 a year. So you can save like $40 if you do the yearly pay, or you can even get a free trial. It gives you a pretty good diversity of what you want. The selection of trainers is really good, and everybody seems to be great at what they do. Like the energy that I've gotten from just the two people that I did with, which was Greg with 3Gs and Bakari, they were really excited, but they also felt real. Yes, they were absolutely forcing positivity or smiles at times, because I mean, let's be honest, does anybody really want to watch someone who's just super depressed and frustrated with the workout like you are when you're going through it? No, you wanna feel good, and they did a good job of making you feel that as well, as somebody that was actually going through and doing the Fitness Plus workout. And the problem that I found with a lot of workouts on YouTube is not only A, because it's usually run by one person, they upload pretty inconsistently, but B, you end up just going back to the same workouts. Apple Fitness Plus promises new content every single week, but even the launch variety is incredibly good. I was actually kind of shocked. It took me a second to sort of pick the workout that I wanted, and there's a ton of different trainers that are doing the same thing. So I focused on strength with Greg. There were also, I think, 6, 7, or 8 other trainers with separate 10 to 20 minute videos based on strength training. And of course, for working out, you might see that these are only 20 minutes each, or some are even 10 minutes each. Like the second core one that I'll talk about momentarily, that was only a 10-minuter. And usually when I see a number like that, I just assume, okay, there's no way I'm actually going to get a good workout, because 20 minutes, is that really enough time to get something done? I guess that's my philosophy. When I would actually go to the gym back in the day, I would spend 45 minutes to an hour there. Of course, 4 sets each, 10 to 12 reps, maybe
it takes some time. But with this, it's like it's pretty consistent. It's a little bit more high intensity, and I absolutely got tired faster. Like it wasn't as a prolonged workout from what I'm used to doing. I also felt challenged. That was one of the things I was concerned about, is that Apple has absolutely been gearing this for beginners, like people that, don't know how to get started exercising, or they really struggle with exercising. The trainers on screen did a really good job of just like walking you through stuff if you've never done it. There were some things that I had never done that I picked up very quickly just because they had great illustration, and you can look at the two people in the back as well of every video for additional instruction. It's nice. The metrics from your Apple Watch are incredible as well, because I should have mentioned this sooner. The Apple Watch is required for Fitness Plus. Apple does not let you sign up for the service, which is great, by the way, unless you have an Apple Watch, because you won't be able to do it. This uses metrics from the Apple Watch and also features your activity rings on screen. So you can actually complete those, get a nice little animation on your Apple TV, which is what I did. You can also watch it on iPad or iPhone to do the workouts. And it felt super dynamic and fun. Like that's something that I wasn't getting on YouTube. Like my heart rate was on screen. The trainer would be like, hey, your heart rate's probably going up right now. And sure enough, I would see that reflected in real time. It made me, I don't know how to say this. Like it almost felt like I was in the room with that person, or like things were more responsive. Obviously, them talking was static, but it feels a bit more lifelike, like a bit more engaging, I think is the word, than a traditional workout that you might get with something else. I was working hard and I was challenged throughout, and they were even giving you recommendations. So like, hey, if this is too easy, you can do faster or do these burnout reps the entire time. But they also focused like, hey, if you're struggling, like just do one arm instead of the bilateral raises. Great. Like I had a good impression from it. And I really think with this launching right ahead of Christmas, it's just going to be perfect, because what's after Christmas, New Year's, when everybody's trying to basically reinvent themselves as a human. Following that, I chose a core workout with Bakari, and this one destroyed me. Like I knew that my core was getting weaker day in and day out of quarantine, but wow, my worry of challenge completely disappeared because I was challenged out of my mind. Like I couldn't finish some of these just because I needed to sort of work up to the level that they were starting at. Now, I'm sure that there are others that are less intense off the bat. I think it was just like luck of the draw, but I didn't have an easy way to find like beginner, advanced, super hard variants. It just seemed like they were kind of all out there, and like picking between them is a guessing game, or maybe they're all the same difficulty. But I do wish there was sort of like, hey, there's these three categories are user rated. This one's the hardest. This one's the easiest. But maybe that would be a bad thing, because then everybody's just going to pick the easy one if they, if they're half into working out. I mean, I really think Apple did this well with the combination of great trainers, super high quality video, lots of variety in the workouts, and integration with the Apple Watch on top of new content being added on a weekly basis. This is going to be a great way to stay engaged and start working out, especially when we're going to be stuck inside for some time. Yes, the vaccine is coming, but I still think we have some time indoors, or even for people that aren't comfortable in gyms. Like this is a good alternative, and I could definitely see myself. Like I'm watching my biceps back on that first workout again, and I'm like, damn, that was like hitting those muscles I needed to hit. And I like that. I like the variety. Obviously, the only disadvantage here is it doesn't seem like they have a back bi day or a chest tri day. For those of you wanting to focus specific muscle groups, I don't know if this is it, because I didn't see that. It seems to be more general whole body stuff. So a critique there would be, I hope they add specific muscle groups like the stereotypical leg day, arm day, chest day, back day. That would be cool. But it's also tough, because to do those things, generally you need to be at a gym where you have more than just a dumbbell and your body. If you've tried Fitness Plus out, let me know down below in the comments section. But I like this. I've got 3 months free. I plan to use this exclusively when I'm working out over the next few months. It expires in March. So I will see how this builds me up over the next few months to see any changes, and maybe tweet about it, report back, and hopefully this video helped. I hope this is an interesting perspective. I hadn't seen like a good review where I've seen somebody like just genuinely talk about what it was like, what they experienced. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you get in better shape. That's what this is all about. We're in this together, trying to work out, trying to stay healthy. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, drop a like down below, hit subscribe for more, and I'll catch all of you in my next video.